How's it on your skin? It's okay?
Fine.
Explain what you're feeling.
So it's burning now.
Bit hot?
A bit hot, yeah.
Okay, we'll keep the piece moving. Turn palm the other way. So let me go on the other side. Open your palm. Open, no, open. Show me the palm. We've just utilized our laser.
Yeah.
That pain gone?
Gone. I'm not feeling. Press it more above. Yeah. I'm not, a little bit, but it's nothing. It's not compared to that one. Not even a 10%.
How long have you had this problem?
It's 2 years maybe.
2 years, eh?
Yeah.
And in the space of what? About 3 minutes?
Yeah. It's been 3 minutes of the laser, warm laser.
Yes.
It's reduced to like into 1%.
I'm pressing quite hard now. Remember, a little bit, yeah. But significantly reduced, right?
Reduced. It's almost like I can say it's 2. Where previously it was 8.
Good sign for you?
Yeah, it's good sign.
Good.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good man.